Hi, I'm Namik and welcome to Fit Like a Model. Remember how every new year we took a gym membership? And remember how we never really saw those workouts through? Well, not anymore. These easy home workout options with almost no equipment will leave you no choice but to get up and get moving. I try to do as many reps as I can in 20 to 25 minutes, and I alternate it with a run so I can get my cardio in too. Planks. Planks are a great core workout to keep you injury-free and a first step towards getting those long-awaited six-pack abs. The core is a network of muscles, big and small, from your abs to your hips, which help provide stability and power. And yes, a strong core can translate to the much desired six-pack abs. How to do it? Get in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. And make sure your back is straight and brace and tighten your abs. Make sure you don't let your hips stick out whilst doing this. Start with a 15-second set and alternate it with another workout so you can do more than one set in a go. Gradually increase the number of seconds when you're more comfortable doing it and work up to a minute. Side plank. A variation of the plank which can be more advanced is the side plank. Treat it as a challenge and keep at it. How to do it? Lie on your left side with your legs straight and rest your entire body weight on your elbow. Once again, don't let your hips drop or your shoulders drop to one side. You want to be in a straight line. Hold that position for as long as you can and then swap over to the other side. The side plank works the core from a different angle with particular emphasis on the oblique and the serratus. Be sure to hold the plank for an equal amount of time on both sides for equal development. Bench dip. Work your arms, shoulders and chest in one go with these incredible bench dips. How to do it? Get a sturdy chair, table or bench and stand facing away from it. Grab it with both hands at shoulder width in an almost parallel position to the ground. Slowly lower your body by flexing at the elbows and move closer to the ground, and then using your triceps, lift yourself back up. Also, this is a great way to start filling out your t-shirts and get people to notice that you've started working out. Crunch. One of the staples of any workout program, crunches are super effective for the tummy and core region. This is also a simple format that you can do even when you're traveling. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Place your hands on either side of your head and lift your shoulders a few inches ahead. Ensure your lower back stays firmly in contact with the ground at all times. Lift your upper body only as much as you can and don't strain your neck or you might just hurt yourself. So be cautious and smart about it. Bring your shoulders closer to your pelvis using your abs. Be sure not to use momentum or pull your neck with your hands, or you could end up pulling something. This is a super fun workout that actually helps you tone. You don't even need to know how to box to be able to do it. Honestly, I don't either. Here's my trick. Imagine you're in the ring and your agenda is to destroy your opponent, and you have to give your best to do that. How to do it? Adopt a fighting stance and bounce on your toes as you shadow box. Dip and weave as you bounce on the spot between low and high intensity punches. It's a fun and tiring workout that comes with a whole host of benefits, including improving your cardio and strengthening your legs, core and arms. Shadow boxing. Remember, when you do this, it's all about intensity. Push-up. Love it or hate it, you can't ignore it. Push-ups, like crunches, are a basic exercise. They're extremely effective as they use multiple muscle groups for maximum growth and give you those enviably strong chest, triceps and shoulders. How to do it? Get down with your face facing the floor and your hands placed shoulder width apart and back flat. Lower your body until your chest is an inch away from the ground and smoothly push back up by extending your arms. Remember, it is more of a forward-backward motion instead of an up and down motion. So with these quick and easy workouts, say hello to a fitter, sexier and stronger new you. Until next time, this is Namik signing off. Stay fit and keep moving.